turtle on a gar fishing trip, and I was in a, what do they call it, a live stream, and I asked if anybody would be interested in a cooking video from this, and everybody was like, yeah. So this is a couple days later. I let it soak. I like letting wild meats soak before I do a whole lot with them, or I cook some right away and let the rest soak. That's kind of what I did. I cooked some for lunch, and then today we're going to be cooking some on the grill. I already fired it up to save some time. I've had a long day. I mean, we're working long shifts right now, so I'm gonna show you what I got going here. I got some skewers ran through the turtle meat. This is off one of the hind legs. That's just the meat off one of the hind legs. And I got some squash to grill too. I'm gonna start off on aluminum because I'm not sure how clean that is. I want it to burn it up. That little grate that I got right here is the one I had on an old barbecue pit. It looks like it's cleaning up pretty good. It has some sticks on it. Burn stick. It looks like it's gonna burn good for us. So let me grab that stuff. We'll throw it on here, and then I'm gonna go feed my animals, and then we'll be back to check on it. So let's go grab the chow. I thought it would be a good idea to show you that it might be a cabinet smoker, but you can pick you up a little small piece of grill, piece of wire, whatever you want to use, and cook on it. I'm gonna leave it open. If I need to, I can spin it and set it in there, but I don't think I will. I think this will cook it just fine. I can also wrap it in the aluminum or get more. So we're gonna let this cook. I use taco seasoning, something I picked up while I was at the store just to try out. I'm not sure what I think about it, but this turned out pretty good. It already sounds like it's cooking. So we're gonna let this cook, and I'm gonna get to working on them guys. Everybody needs some food, so enjoy this little 2 seconds of meat. We got some baby ducks. We gotta go catch up with them. How'd you get in there, chicken? That's not a chicken coop. It's a duck coop. Oh, there she is. There's the babies. Look at them burying themselves. Little speed demons. I'm not gonna hurt nobody, mama. Look at them hide. They're smart. Catching up with mama and daddy. And there's my big ugly chicken. What you doing, buddy? Three of the chickens, or 2 of them. 3 of them. 3 chickens got. I need to pick up some eggs. Look at that. That's cool wherever y'all want to live. Alright, everything's taken care of for the most part. Everything's looking good. Still cooking. It's already 50 and up over there. Maybe it is going to get a little too hot. I might have to finish him on here. It's not a big deal. It's easy to do. Which are good. Give it more of a smoky flavor when it comes out. Let me go wash this. Alright, we'll come back to whatever I decide to do next. See, it's melting the aluminum. That can't be good. Yeah, I decided to move them up to the top. Wouldn't be too difficult. It's just getting cooked way too fast right there. So let's put them in the top part. Oh, and we throwed it in the floor. Which luckily it's probably all stuck to the aluminum. No, not bad. It'll be fine and landing in clover. You know what? We're not going to play that game twice. Yeah, let them finish out in here. It's already throwing smoke up. I'll leave this open a little bit to keep the heat high. Alrighty. Just checked it a few minutes ago. It's done. It's smoky. Does that look good? A couple of pieces got burnt. Probably should have put some salt on it, but still juicy. I'm losing my food again. This is being nice. Of course, squash is good, but y'all are here for the turtle. Look at that. Beautiful turtle meat. So let's do this caveman style. It's got a lot of flavor. That one was kind of like somewhere between chicken breast and chicken thigh. Maybe even a little porkish. But it's good. Even the burnt parts weren't that bad. And keep your sticks for kindling. Well, this is my turtle cooking video. If y'all would like maybe a soup or a coubillon or something similar to that, let me know. I still got some left. I'll freeze it until this video comes out. If nobody thinks of anything, I'll just cook it some other way. I'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.